Now, there are some issues that have been raised, and there are some misunderstandings that are in the media and in the public space. The first thing we want everybody to know is that we are happy as a party that the Junction Road is going to be fixed. And we would have to be happy because Comrade Winston Green spent his energy, his life, his effort to get that road here. So we could not object to it. We would have wanted it to have come earlier. But give God thanks, the road is here. But we insist that not only is the General Secretary and the party well within its rights to have the political ombudsman and any of the appropriate authorities oversee the conduct of those programs. And I tell you quite frankly, the Prime Minister is out of order, is wrong when he says that the political ombudsman has no authority in this matter. The political ombudsman has every authority in the matter. The Code of Political Conduct, let me just quote part of it. It says, first of all, that officials who by virtue of their positions have control or influence over the appropriation of public funds or other public resources should not discriminate against any individual, group, or community on the basis of political allegiance or support. We believe that the duty of the political ombudsman is to assure that the code of conduct is being observed. She's within her rights. It also provides that candidates or others acting on behalf of candidates must not use funds derived from any source, public or private, to improperly influence electoral choices. An electoral choice is going to be made in Southeast St. Mary. And the public, the taxpayers of Jamaica, and the people of Jamaica have a right to be assured that those funds will not be misused in any way. It's not just a matter of the Contractor General and the issuance of contracts. It is a matter also of the improper use of political influence or of public funds to secure political influence. And the Code of Conduct also states, and I will quote, that all breaches of the Code of Political Conduct will be investigated by the political ombudsman. So, I think we have to be clear that the political ombudsman has this right. And further, under Section 15 of the Political Ombudsman Act, it says, and I quote, the political ombudsman may adopt whatever procedure he considers appropriate to the circumstances of a particular case and subject to the provisions of this act, may obtain information from such persons and in such manner and make such inquiries as he thinks fit. End of quote. Simply put, the political ombudsman has every power in law to inquire of the Prime Minister or any other political leader, including myself, any information which they think they would need to ensure that there is no breach of the code of conduct to which both the JLP and the PNP have subscribed to. And what most disturbs about the recent comments of the Prime Minister is that it could be interpreted as being an effort to intimidate the holders of high political office, of public office. We don't need to go that way, and we have the evidence already provided by the Contractor General that when another election was due, in this instance the local government election, public funds were used to influence the outcome. We want simple assurance that while this road is being built, and we want it to be built quickly, that public funds will not be used to try to influence voters. It's taxpayers' money. They work hard for it.